Now we are studying chapter 7 of Classics Geography NCERT. So, in the north, it is bounded by lofty Himalayas. So, it is bounded by lofty Himalayas in the north, Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east, Indian Ocean in the south. India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometers, and north to south extend from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is 3200 kilometers, and east to west extend from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is 2900 kilometers. Major physical divisions of India are Himalayas. These are the Yang Fold Mountains, Indo-Gangetic Plain. It has monotonous topography, that is featureless topography, and Peninsular Plateau. It is one of the most stable land masses, and it is one of the oldest plateaus of the world. And coastal plains. Sedimentation, it is due to fluvial action, and Indian islands are Lakshadweep Islands here and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Lakshadweep Islands are the coral islands. Coral reef, when it is built on atolls, it is called coral islands. And Andaman and Nicobar Islands are formed due to tectonic action, that is due to interaction between Indian plate and Eurasian plate. And India is the second most populous country of the world after China. So the Tropic of Cancer passes almost halfway through the country. It passes almost halfway through the country. And India is present in the northern hemisphere. South to north mainland of India extends between 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes. West to east, India extends between 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitudes. Due to the great longitudinal extent of about 29 degrees, the difference between 2 points would be 2 hours. So the sun rises about 2 hours earlier in the east than in the west. 82 degrees 30 minutes east has been taken as the Indian Standard Time. This meridian or longitude is termed as the standard meridian of India. So, we are studying about India's neighbors. Barring Telangana, MP, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Delhi and Haryana, all other states in the country has one or more international borders or coastline and can be regarded as frontline states from the point of view of border management. So, there are 7 countries that share land boundaries with India. Pakistan in the west, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east, and with Sri Lanka in the south. And Sri Lanka is separated from India by Pouch Strait. So what are the political and administrative divisions? Country is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. Delhi is the national capital. Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state in terms of area. Now we are studying about physical divisions. Standing as sentinels in the north are the lofty Himalayan ranges. So the division of Himalayas are Sivaliks or outer Himalayas, middle Himalayas or the Himachal. Popular hill stations are present here. Greater Himalayas or the Himadri. These are the northmost Himalayas, and world's highest peaks are present here. Trans-Himalayas or Tibetan Himalayas, Eastern Himalayas or Purvanchal, a chain of hills in the northeast India. So, these are the Himalayas, Himachal, Himadri, Sivalik ranges. This is the Indo-Gangetic Plain, this is the Peninsula Plateau, and these are the Aravalli ranges. Greatest Indian desert is present over extreme west. And these are the Western Ghats. Western Ghats, it is continuous, and Eastern Ghats, it is not continuous. Next, Narmada and Tapti flows over Western Ghats into Arabian Sea, and Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri, Mahanadi flows into Bay of Bengal through Eastern Ghats. And so northern Indian plains lies to the south of Himalayas. So the south of Himalayas lies the northern Indian plains. These are formed by the alluvial deposits laid down by the rivers Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. Highest concentration of population in these plains. In the western part of India lies the Great Indian Desert. It is dry, hot and sandy stretch of land. To the south of northern plains lies the Peninsula Plateau. It is the region with numerous hill ranges and valleys. Aravalli Hills, it is one of the oldest ranges of the world. Border it on the northwest side. Major east flowing rivers are Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi, drain into Bay of Bengal. Narmada and Tapti are the major west flowing rivers that drain into the Arabian Sea. Western Ghats are Sahyadris, border the plateau in the west, and Eastern Ghats provide the eastern boundary. To the west of the Western Ghats and the east of the Eastern Ghats lies the coastal plains. While the Western Ghats are almost continuous, Eastern Ghats are broken and uneven. The west coastal plains are very narrow. These are the west coastal plains. It is narrow. And east coastal plains. These are much broader. Sundarban Delta. It is formed where the Ganga and Brahmaputra flows into the Bay of Bengal. Corals are skeletons of tiny marine animals called polyps. When the living polyps die, their skeletons are left and other polyps grow on top of the hard skeleton, which grows higher and higher, thus forming coral islands. Two groups of islands also form the part of India. These are Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie to the southeast of the mainland in the Bay of Bengal. Thank you.